Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the wefts and hair. Spray a detangler generously along the tangled area, concentrating at seams and ends so you reduce friction. Once soaked, lay the extensions flat on a towel and clip 3 to 4 horizontal sections to isolate the mess. Now, holding the root to stabilize, work a wide tooth comb from the ends up in short strokes. This prevents pulling and tells you where the major knots remain. You now tackle the core tangles with precision. Pinpoint a knot and, using a tail comb or your fingers, tease edges outward to create slack. Make small, patient movements so you don't tighten anything. If a knot resists, add a tiny drop of silicone serum to lubricate fibers, not soak them. Once the bulk of knots is relaxed, transition to a paddle brush and brush down gently. This smooths without stress and reveals any hidden tangles still needing attention. You finish by restoring texture and security. Brush through from roots to ends to confirm all knots are gone, then mist with a light conditioner and let the extensions air dry flat to keep wefts intact. If you must, trim minimal frayed ends to prevent retangling. If tangles recur, inspect the stitching and weft edge. Sometimes damage causes repeated matting, and avoid applying heat directly to previously matted areas. That can set tangles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.